Hi, I'm Dave with Phototropics Photography, and today we're going to talk about aerial photography, also known as drone photography, because you use a drone. Now, can you make a business of drone photography? Yes, you can. Drone photography and video are good markets to develop your photography. Now, just for instance, here's my drone. I did buy it used. It's a Mavic Pro 2, so it has the Hasselblad camera in there. I always wanted a Hasselblad. Always a name dropping there. But the buddy I bought this from, he was in the business of wrapping, stuff like this, and he wrapped this with the Kawasaki green. And this has earned a lot of money. It's paid for itself in the work that it has performed. One thing, not only do you need the drone, but very importantly, you need the certification to fly the drone legally. Now, if you're going to have fun with it, just not make any money from it, then you can fly with just a little safety course. But if you're going to fly for the furtherance of your business, if you're basically making money, advertising for your company, even if it's not direct revenue from the work you do, but it benefits your company, you need to have the 107 certification. Go take the test, 60 questions, 2 hours. The pass rate on it is like 80%. You're going to take some YouTube courses here, and most of them are free. Tony Northrup is a good one. The Drone University, Drone Doctor, all those, they helped me, and I passed with a pretty good score. And quite honestly, the score doesn't matter, because what happens to all those doctors that graduate from doctor school, whether they get passed with a 70 or 100, they're all called doctors, right? Same thing with you. It's not like a pilot's license where you get graded and you get different grades of license. This is pass or fail. If you pass it, good, you can fly. If you fail it, you can't. The reason why it's important as well is, suppose you're using it for aerial photography for your real estate client. Now, that's what I typically started out with. If you get caught and reported that you are operating a drone for profit, in the furtherance of a business, you'll be fined about $1,500. But your client, the person who hired you to do work, the person you develop a relationship with, and you wanted to get more work from, they can be fined as much as $11,000 or more for hiring you and not making sure that you were certified to fly a drone. Could you imagine the impact that would have on your reputation as a drone photographer? You don't want that. So be legal, do the right thing, and take those courses, and it'll help you be better at the business you do, and you can be able to be informed when dealing with others. So again, there are companies you can work with, service providers like DroneBase, Droners.io. Those companies, whenever you work for them, that is their work once you provide it to them. You cannot use it for your portfolio. You cannot say, hey, look, this is what I've done with this company. No, it's their work. And you cannot snipe their clients either. So when you go out, you got to go out like you are an employee or a worker or a contractor for that Droners.io or DroneBase or whatever they are, and respect that. If you don't want to do that, then don't accept that type of work. It's a good way to get started. And then you'll get to develop into other stuff like mapping. Mapping is great. You can work with survey companies as you move along. Other types of drones, deepen your knowledge and flying ability. So yes, aerial photography, aerial video are very good sectors and very good skills to develop to become a profitable photographer. If you just use it as one of the tools in your bag to be able to get work with, like real estate, which is, I didn't think I was going to need a drone, but I found out real quick that that's what all the other photographers were offering, so I had to be on board to have that same standard of service for the clients, or else they just went with somebody else who could provide them that. So give us some experiences down below. Any questions you have down in the comments below. How do you get started? How can you prepare? Maybe we can provide some information to help you be better prepared for your Part 107 flight license there, and we'll be glad to help you out as much as possible. Maybe if you have some experience doing some drone photography or video just for yourself as an amateur, that's fine as well. So we want to thank you for the time that you give to us and watching our video. Please continue to follow us. We're going to have more videos for the rest of the week that focus on different aspects of photography that can be made into a business, and you can support your hobby or support yourself and family with the work of photography. Thank you again so much, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.